This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Open the passenger's door and pull the bonnet release handle. Lift the safety catch and open the bonnet. Unclip the support prop from the wing and engage the end with the hole in the underside of the bonnet. The engine oil level dipstick is often brightly coloured for easy identification, and the oil filler cap is located on the top of the engine. Pull out the dipstick, wipe it clean, then fully reinsert it. Pull the dipstick out again and examine the oil level at the end. The oil level should be between the min and max marks. If the oil level is below or near the min mark, rotate the oil filler cap anti-clockwise and remove it. Add the correct grade of oil as necessary to bring the level up to the max mark on the dipstick. Note that approximately 1 litre of oil will raise the level from the lower mark to the upper mark. Check the oil level frequently as oil is added. Do not overfill. When the level is correct, fully insert the dipstick and refit the filler cap. The coolant reservoir and filler cap is located at the rear of the engine compartment. With the engine cold, the coolant level should be between the max and min marks on the side of the reservoir. If topping up is necessary, unscrew the filler cap. Add a 50-50 mixture of antifreeze and water to the reservoir to bring the level up to the max mark. Refit and securely tighten the filler cap. The brake and clutch fluid reservoir is located at the rear of the engine compartment. The max and danger marks are indicated on the side of the reservoir. The fluid level must be kept between the marks at all times. If topping up is necessary, clean the area around the filler cap, then unscrew it. Add new DOT4 fluid from a sealed container to bring the level up to the max mark. Securely refit the filler cap and mop up any spilled fluid. The power steering fluid reservoir is located at the front of the engine. With the engine idling, turn the steering wheel slowly from lock to lock 2 or 3 times. Set the steering wheel straight ahead position, then switch off the engine. Wipe clean the area around the reservoir cap to prevent dirt entering the hydraulic system, and then rotate the cap 90 degrees anti-clockwise and remove it. Wipe all fluid from the cap dipstick with a clean rag. Refit the filler cap fully, then remove it again and note the fluid level on the dipstick. When the engine is cold, the level should be between the lower add mark and the middle C mark on the dipstick. If the engine is warm, the fluid level may be up to the upper H mark. If the fluid level is on or below the add mark, top up the fluid level to the middle C mark using total fluid LDS. Do not overfill. Once the level is correct, securely refit the filler cap to the reservoir. The screen wash fluid reservoir is located on the right-hand side of the engine compartment. Pull up the filler cap to remove it. Add a mixture of water and screen wash additive as necessary. Firmly refit the filler cap. Detach the support prop from the bonnet and clip it into place on the wing. Firmly lower the bonnet and check it's secure.